Astonishing giant spider web formed on trees. Effect of strong storm winds on big dining tents. Surprisingly, branch thrown near waterfalls returns back. Hailstorm with baseball-size hailstones. Unbelievable. Beautiful golden yellow rainbow during sunset. Moment of tidal wave hitting a busy road. Looks like that tree is breathing through its bark. Big crab shedding its outer shell, which is called molting. Ants pulling out the pupae of other insects from the occupied nest. Leaves of the touch-me-not plant folds inwards when we touch. Stunning big-size, fully grown pumpkin, trying hard to lift. Invasion of a huge swarm of beetles, mystifying. Strange fish with wings like fins washed ashore. Showing how dangerous dry quicksand is. Weird pattern of a frozen lake with underneath ice balls. Raging fire from the coconut tree after lightning strike. Water flowing from the trunk of a tree, amazing. Condition of roof sheets after a massive hailstorm. Large wasp nest formed on the leaves of a coconut tree. Devastation caused by a powerful tornado hit. Pond with crystal clear water and clear underwater view. Unusual phenomenon of red color appearance of the sun. Snow formed like ice spikes on the bicycle. Alluring small dust devil formed in the garden. Hornet building its nest carefully. Interesting. Leaking of crude oil from the farmland. Terrifying strong wind gusts at a train station.